Hey folks, I have a little Scout ukulele to show you today. These little soprano scale instruments I make from shop scraps. And this one is going to the Tunes in the Dunes music camp next month as the raffle item. So the top is some spruce from Camp Westwind, some kind of wide grain coastal Oregon spruce. And the back and sides are also some maple scraps from Westwind that I dyed, stained, kind of a dark color. And we've got a salvaged fir neck and cherry for fretboard and head plate, and some of my shop made rope binding all around it. And I put a low G on this one just for fun. I kind of like the Scouts with low G. Real sweet. So yeah, I'm really happy with this one and happy to get my first September instrument ready to go. 7/23. Cheers.